construction, basic concept that you have been studying. Angle means two arm. This white two arm. When two arm meets, that creates a vortex. We draw angle with the help of protractor, but here we are going to draw an angle with the help of rounder, and this anchor tip is my rounder and this tip is my scale because of I am working on the ball. So first we are going to do this hand, that thumb portion is the needle of rounder and this chalk portion is your pencil portion. So first we draw that is basic angles. First 90 degree and 60 degree two are the basic angles. So how we draw 90 degree? So first we take a point O, then put your rounder needles and draw an arbitrary semicircle. Then this label as A and B. More than half, that is more than radius, we draw bisector from point A and B and draw it from the center of circle. So this is known as 90 degree. We can draw 90 degree by another way. Again we take a point O, draw and semicircle with the help of arbitrary arc, label it as A and B. Then more, here we are not drawing more than half, but here we are taking 60 degree, 120 degree, bisector of it. So here mention that 90 degree is bisector between 60 degree and 120 degree. So this portion is known as 60 degree. If you take this here 60 degree, so that is 60, 120, 60 plus 60, 120, and we take bisector from this point and this point, that is P and Q. From P and Q we draw bisector and we join it here. So this becomes exactly 90 degree. Now how we draw 45 degree? So 45 is the half of 90 degree and double of the 45 is 90 degree. So first we draw 90 degree. Now we draw bisector. Bisector means divided into two equal parts. Angle bisector means angle divided into two equal parts. So again we draw 90 degree with the help of rounder. This is known as 90 degree. Now this point is known as point P. So from P and P, this portion is 90 degree. We have to draw bisector of it, and this portion, this angle is extended, that is known as 45 degree. 22.5 is the bisector of 45. Otherwise, double of the 22.5 is 45 and double of the 45 is 90 degree. So first we draw 90 degree. So we have to draw 90 degree like this way. The end point of the semicircle is known as A and B. Again we are going to take more than half. Then we join this. Again where the ray meet at the semicircle, that is known as point P. Again we take bisector if it is not intersecting, and if it is more, then we have to draw B. This point Q is known as 45 degree. Again bisector of Q and P, that is bisector of 45, and it's become 22.5 degree. These are the basic angles that you have been studying. Now 60 degree. 60 degree again we have to draw an arbitrary arc. Label it as a point A. O, point A and B end point, and 60 degree means equal to the radius and join with the center of circle, the ray. So angle POB is known as 60 degree. Now 75 degree. So for 75 degree we have to draw first of all 90. We have to draw first of all 90 degree and 60 degree. So we have to draw 90 degree like this way. 60 bisector of it. This is not intersecting, so we have to just draw it. That is known as 90 degree. That is known as 60 degree. So point P and Q We keep our needle here point P and Q and take an arbitrary arc where the arc is intersecting. You join this ray, that is known as S. So angle SOB is known as 75 degree. 30 degree is the half of 60 degree and double of the 30 degree is known as 60 degree. So first of all, we draw an semicircle with the taking arbitrary arc. The intersecting point of the semicircle with line is A and B. For 60 degree we take measure of the radius which intersect the point at P. We take bisector from the point P and B, where the arc meet we have to draw a ray, that is Q. So angle QOB is known as 30 degree. Now 15 degree is the bisector of 30 degree and double of 15 degree is 30 degree and double of 30 is 60 degree. So first of all we go up to basic angle. So again we have to draw a semicircle. After that we are getting the ribbonning A, B and O. O is the center of circle. From that radius we draw a circle that is known as 30 degree. Because of here 60 degree we doesn't need it. Now bisector of 30 degree it's become what? 15 degree. So this angle POB is known as 15 degree. Now same way we can go with the 7.5 degree. So 7.5 degree is the what? Half of 15. So first we draw the measure equal to that bisector of this, that is 60 degree is known as 30 degree, again bisector, that is 15 degree, and again we have to draw, that is P. So we have to take a bisector and this become